For today's activity, we were tasked to weight a miniature RC aircraft and measure it. To do this, we brought the following: 3 weighing scales, a tape rule, a pencil, and a manual book. To start, we first measured the aircraft in centimeters. We measured the following components: the datum to the main wheel, the right main wheel to the nose, the left main wheel to the nose wheel, and the main wheels from left to right. To start, we marked the datum 15 centimeters from the front of the aircraft with a pencil and made a careful steps to avoid unintentionally moving the plane. In the end, we measured 90 centimeters from the datum to the main wheels by averaging 2 measurements from datum to left main wheel and datum to right main wheel, 51 centimeters from right main wheel to nose wheel, 52 centimeters from left main wheel to nose wheel, and 42 centimeters from left main wheel to right main wheel. Next, we prepared to weight the aircrafts in grams. To perform this, we will weight the aircraft in 3 attempts and then round off our results. Firstly, we lifted the aircraft from the ground to place the weighing scales on each landing gear. After placing it back down on the weighing scales, we waited until all the weighing scales stopped on a certain value. To ensure certainty, we closed all the windows to prevent interference. On the first attempt, we got 63 grams on the nose wheel, 2,818 grams on the left wheel, and 2,673 on the right wheel. We then turned off the weighing scales and waited 5 minutes before doing the second attempt. Afterwards, we lifted the aircraft to turn on the weighing scales to begin the second attempt. On the second attempt, we got 277 grams on the nose wheel, 2,622 grams on the left wheel, and 2,674 grams on the right wheel. We repeat the procedure again for the third attempt. On the third attempt, we got 473 grams on the nose wheel, 2,625 grams on the left wheel, and 2,467 on the right wheel. Estimating all 3 attempts, we got the following data: 271 grams estimated for the nose wheel, 2,088 grams estimated for the left wheel, and 2,605 estimated for the right wheel. With no tare weight, the net weight sums up to 5,564 grams or 5.6 kilograms. Finally, we then worked with our book to answer a sample load sheet. Here, we solve for the total weight and moment of our aircraft to get its center of gravity.